Welcome to iRenderings. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your iRenderings Home Configurator. This powerful tool allows your customers to explore, personalize, and fall in love with their future home, helping you stand out from static images, increase engagement, and convert more leads. For real-time help at any stage, our iRenderings AI has been trained to be your personal assistant. Just click the chat icon for quick, step-by-step support. You have access to the full iRenderings material library, but you control what options your customers see. To ensure customers only explore materials that match your catalog, you'll need to set your material options. Once you've made your selections, simply right-click on any surface. The material menu will appear. Click the heart icon on any material to favorite it. This adds that finish to your customer-facing material options. You'll now see that surface appear in the left-hand menu with your selected material. You can select as many different finishes and finish types as you'd like for each surface. Choose from our library of tens of thousands of premium materials, ensuring each surface reflects your unique brand. To preview only the finishes you've favorited, click the heart filter in the top right corner of the materials menu. This lets you quickly review exactly what your customers will see, ensuring your selections are consistent with your catalog. Then repeat this step for every surface you want customers to personalize. Your customers will now be able to explore your approved finishes, combining professional-grade visuals with interactive freedom, all within your brand and product standards. You also have the option to let customers select from pre-built color packages instead of choosing individual materials. To set up a color package, first customize your iRenderings with the materials for a package. Then, click the Save button in the top menu. Enter a selection name and check Designer Selection to set the color package. If you don't select Designer Selection, the color package won't appear. You can also set the color package as the default, so it will automatically load each time your iRenderings project is opened. Repeat this process for as many color packages as you'd like. This is perfect for tailoring options to your target demographics or communities. When you save your color packages, the materials, lighting, landscaping, and camera angle are retained. To view and edit your color packages, click the Load button. You can see all your saved selections and color packages. From here, you can delete color packages and easily set color packages from any of your saved selections. Your customers will now be able to browse professionally curated design packages, simplifying their decision-making process and increasing confidence in their choices. You can also configure your iRenderings to offer both color packages and material options. This gives customers a starting point with your preset packages and the ability to fine-tune their design using your approved materials. This flexible approach allows customers to personalize their home until they find their perfect combination, combining curated design with creative freedom. If you offer surface customization, you can simplify the process for your customers by adding nodes. To add a node, go to the left-hand menu, find the surface you'd like to mark, then click and drag the surface onto the design where you'd like the node to appear. You'll see the node appear directly on the scene. Once the node is placed, you'll need to update the camera. You can leave the camera at a wide angle or reposition it for a better framed, more detailed view of the surface. Once positioned, click the three dots on the surface in the left-hand menu, click Update Camera. To remove a node, simply click the three dots on the surface in the left-hand menu and select Delete Node. The node will be removed immediately. Nodes help your customers easily identify which surfaces can be customized, making their design journey smoother, more intuitive, and more engaging. The Home button repositions the scene to a default camera view. To set the Home button, position your camera as desired. Click the arrow beside the Home icon and select Update Camera. Now, wherever your customers are in the scene, clicking the Home button will reposition them to your set angle, providing a polished reset point that keeps the experience user-friendly and consistent. Once your Home Configurator is set up, sharing it is simple. Log into your iRenderings account, click the Renderings tab, and select the rendering you'd like to share. From here, you'll find a shareable link. You can send it directly to clients, team members, or stakeholders, or add it to your website as a button. To do this, simply create a button on your floor plans page and paste in the link. Then save your changes. This makes it easy for buyers to launch your home configurator in full screen with a single click. You'll also find your embed code if you'd prefer your home configurator to appear directly on your site. To embed your home configurator on your website, navigate to the web page where you'd like to add your home configurator, add a text box, or use a custom HTML block. Switch to the HTML view if necessary. Paste the embed code in the desired location. Adjust the size if necessary by modifying the width in percentage or pixels and height in pixels to match your site's design. Then save your changes. And that's it. Your iRenderings home configurator is now fully set up and ready to showcase your homes in a more interactive, personalized, and effective way. Everything is now in place to launch, manage, and scale high-impact renderings, start to finish. To get started, visit iRenderings.areas.com and bring your homes to life.